Jai Gurudev, dear students. Children, today we will start chapter number 7, Flower Kingdom. Okay, we have completed our 6 chapters. So now chapter number 7 is Flower Kingdom. Children, in this chapter we will study about the various flowers. Okay, you know that many kind of beautiful flowers are there, and all the people, they are loving these flowers, and I think you also love to see flowers. And let's read first. To most humans, flowers are seen as objects to decorate homes, gardens, and bodies, and more. Children, you know that many human beings, they use these flowers for various purposes. Means some of the people, they use flowers to decorate their home, and some of them, they decorate their garden, okay, with these, by growing these flowering plants. And some of the people, they are wearing means these flowers as a garland, or in hair also. You know that many ladies, they used to decorate their hair also by these flowers. So in the vase also, we can keep these fresh flowers in our home, and we decorate in this way also. So many of the uses of flowers are there, which we will study in this chapter. However, flowers have a much more important purpose than decoration. So children, this first line is given for decoration. So you should know that flowers have more and much important that features are also there, or we can use flowers in for the other purposes also. Means other than decoration also, flowers have more importance. So let's see. Flowers are the part of plants that make seeds, which in turn make new plants. Children, if you see any plant or any flower, clearly, if any plant is there at your home which have flowers, you can see continuously, daily you watch that flowers when bloom properly, and after some days flowers will change into fruits. Okay, fruit will form from flowers, and after the fruit formation, seeds are always formed inside the fruit. So we can say that seeds are also formed from these flowers. Okay, so this is also one of the main feature of the flowers. Means new plants can be grown, or new plants are made from these seeds which are developed from the flowers. Okay, so did you know flowers are brightly colored and have a sweet smell in order to attract bees, flies, moths, hummingbirds, and many other tiny insects that can sit on them easily. So children, you should know that why flowers are colored, and they have different attractive colors, because they have to attract these insects. Means bees, flies, moths, hummingbirds, and other many kind of insects by their bright color and also their sweet smell. Some of the flowers have a sweet smell also, so they attract all these insects and these creatures so that they can sit on them. So why they sit on them, that we will discuss later on, as we have studied in other chapters also, that flowers, when they make fruits, before making fruits there is a one process which is called pollination. That pollination means that a dusty particles which are called pollens will be transferred by these creatures, small creatures, and they stick with the legs or with the wings of these insects, and then they transfer from one flower to another flower. Okay, and with the help of these pollens fruits can be formed. Understand? So inside the fruits seeds can be formed, and then they can able to produce a new plant. So children, that's why flowers are very important.